Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete elements in Carrd. This is a fundamental skill that will help you clean up your site and remove anything that doesn't fit your design vision anymore. Let's jump right in and get this sorted out. First things first, open your web browser and head over to carrd.co. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Carrd dashboard. This is where all your sites are stored and managed, so make sure you're using the correct account that contains the site you want to edit. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard displaying all the sites you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific site where you want to delete an element. It could be a portfolio, a landing page, or any other type of site you've built. When you've found it, click on the Edit this site button. This will open up the Carrd editor, which is your workspace for making all kinds of changes to your site's design and content. Now that you're in the editor, you'll see your site layout displayed in front of you. Here's where things get straightforward. Simply click on the element you want to delete. It could be a text box, an image, a button, or any other component you've added to your page. Clicking on it will select the element and highlight it, showing you that it's now active and ready to be modified or removed. After selecting the element, direct your attention to the bottom left panel of your screen. This is the control panel where you'll find various options for managing the selected element. Look for the Delete this element button, which might also appear as a trash icon depending on your view. Go ahead and click on it. This action will immediately remove the element from your site, giving you a cleaner layout to work with. If you have multiple elements you want to get rid of, simply repeat this process. Select the next element you want to delete by clicking on it, then navigate back to the bottom left panel and click the Delete button or trash icon again. You can continue this as many times as needed until you've removed all the unwanted elements from your site. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Carrd site by removing unnecessary elements, giving you more control over your design and making your page look exactly how you want it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.